Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial from Timmy the Creator. As you can see on your screen right now, I created this with CLO3D and Blender. But what I want you to know is that you can also export other things to CLO3D apart from your character, so that your clothes can also have a better interaction with them, and it can also wrinkle or fold when you touch those kind of objects. And I think that is the idea most people don't have about CLO3D. You get, because most people think that you can only export character to CLO3D. Instead, you can also export other model. So I'll be explaining that in this video. It's going to be quick and fast. So as you can see now, this character is sitting down on this vehicle in front. You get, and you can also see that the clothes is also interacting with where the character is sitting on. You can see, not like the clothes is entering inside the vehicle. You get. So let me just explain how I did, or how you can do something like this. It doesn't have to be a vehicle. It could be a chair. Maybe you have your character sitting down on a chair. You need to export that chair to CLO3D. It's very important. So let me just go back to this, because my PC is quite lagging. This scene is quite heavy. So now we are in the solid view. So what I did was this. Now I selected this bumper, this front part here. I had to select it. So I selected this. Then I went to file. You just need to export it as OBJ. File, export. Where is OBJ? Yeah, OBJ. I'm not going to save this, but I'll just show you what you should do. So what you do is make sure you check this select only, so that you don't export the whole scene. You get what I'm trying to say? You only need this so that our clothes can interact with this bumper. So just check this selection only, open a folder and just put the name there. Then let me now show you how you do it on CLO3D. It's very quick. So I'm going to quit this and let me go to my CLO3D. So you can see that I've morphed my character to the shape you can see on Blender, and also the cloth has morphed with it. So giving us a good result. So what I'll do is to go to my file. I'm going to go to import. I'm going to go to OBJ here. So I'm going to select my car. This is the car here, but that's the front part of the car. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to select open. I'll select add your avatar and I'm going to select OK. And we're going to wait for it to load. Okay. Okay. And then we have this. So I don't know if can you see this? So imagine you did not import this to CLO3D, then this is how your clothes is going to look like on Blender if you take this clothes back to Blender and you export it as Alembic or OBJ, any one format you want to use. So what you now need to do is just to simulate so that your clothes can interact with this model. So I'm just going to press my spacebar. Can you see? Let me just zoom closer. And if it's taking your time, though, the reason why the simulation is quite slow is because of the screen recording I'm doing. So anytime I screen record, like I always see, my PC is quite slow. So you can also try to like pull your outfit above the model. So I just need to like pull it. I'm coming. Yes. Yeah. So just take your time for it to simulate so that your clothes can relax on the vehicle's front part. So I've stopped the simulation and we have this kind of result. Can you see? So this is it. Can you see? So our outfit is not entering the vehicle model. Can you see? So it's relaxed on the vehicle. So that is it. And then you can now export your design as Alembic and now import it into blender, which is something you can see here. You can see something here. So you can see that this cloth is relaxed on this part of the vehicle. So that's the same thing you can also do. So it doesn't have to be a vehicle, it could be a chair like I said, or probably the character is sleeping on the floor, or any pose you get. But just make sure you know that you can also import other models into CLO3D apart from importing your character for better results you get. So thank you for watching this tutorial from Timmy the Creator. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more tutorial.